Hi guys, how are you doing? And welcome back to YCB, your coding buddy. And today we are going to discuss about while loop. This is one most used topic, or you can say most used programming paradigm. You can say that we are using often, similar to the for loop. So I'm gonna explain you in a simpler terms, like you will never forget if you listen it properly. So without wasting time, let's jump into the screen and I will explain you. Okay, let me start the recording. Okay, so I hope you can see my screen. So we kept the title like while loop, and without saying anything, I'm going to teach you like how to cook evaporated milk, or we say like in India we say mawa or khoya. Okay, or you can say condensed milk. Now you will be thinking like why am I telling you this khoya, how to cook or how to make khoya? Okay, let's forget. So just let's take a story. So this is kitchen, and okay, as usual we are everything trying to relate with a single example kitchen. Your mom, okay, say yeah, and figure okay. Now your mom called. She is busy in some other household chores, so she said like okay, let's say your name is Ram. Okay, I will say Ramu. Ramu Kaka. Okay. So she called Ramu, come here. Okay. So you said, yeah, what happened, ma'am, mom? Okay. Then she said, okay, I kept some milk, fat milk, inside a bowl, and you have to stir it. So here you will be having a vessel, or you have one what we say spoon, large spoon, and you have to stir it until it will become condensed. So you said okay, how much time it will take? So she said like until it's not getting condensed, or until it's not like all the water evaporated, you have to continue it. So you are going to do like something, okay, every time you will perform some operations. So you will say okay, you have a lot of water milk, so you will keep on stirring, and you maybe you are scrolling reels along with it. So you just have to look into it. Okay, so you are doing like this and until it became solid. Okay, so you are doing this. Now you will see you have only one condition. What is condition? Until it turns into solid, what you will do, you'll keep on stirring and the flame will be on and all. The same is with while loop. You have some condition, and until it's true, I mean until you can think of like until it's wet, you have to stir it. So you will say okay, I have to keep on doing something until it's like so. That is what while loop. You are performing some operation until condition is true. Okay, so you can say like in simpler term, I will tell you until true. Okay, stir 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 the milk and keep stove burner on. Okay, you are doing these things, and that is what while loop is. If we wanted to perform something until a condition is fulfilling or until it is true, you have to do something. So same, like here's the syntax will be while condition true. So whatever the condition that you are returning, I'll say condition. Okay, like at the end we have to use colon to separate, then you have to space, I mean you have to add indentation and you can write some code. uh, Operations, you can, I will say like okay, whatever code you can write, and you have to perform it until this condition is true. Okay, now condition, what will be the condition? Condition is condition, you can say comparison or something you are doing that is going to return true or false. So it could be true or it could be false, the value of condition. If it is false, that means now you can't do, it's like stop. Until it's true, continue, you will continue. So it's like until it is wet, until the milk is wet, you will keep on stirring the milk. Once it is solid, turn into like it's not wet, it turned into dry. Okay, so you will stop it. That's what while loop. While true, do some operation, and once it is done, maybe let's say, okay, let's take a number and we'll do, we are going to count, or we are going to print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, so task print 1 to 10. Okay, now what you will do, let's start with 1. Okay, so you will say while, okay, starting number, so you took some number, right? But let's say you have number equals to 1. So what you will do, you will say okay, number is 1, you want to print till 10. So you'll say okay, what I'll do, I will start with something like number. If number is less than 10 or equals to 10, then you are going to print it. Okay, and print num, you said. Okay, now it's done. Okay, so what, first time when it will run, your value is num is 1, so it will print num1. Second time again it will say you are not making any change into it, so it will again come. Okay, so it will check. Now okay, let's take it example. So it will start from num equals to 1, so value 1 is assigned to num1. I will say 1 step 1. Now it will check, okay, it came into this line number 2, and it will check num is less than 10. Yes, yes, so that means it's still true. You can think of like the milk is still wet. Okay, so you'll say okay, what operations I need to perform. So you'll say okay, print the num. So out in output, let me say output, you will say okay, print num, so 1. Now again you will be going to back, like you will, okay, so it's 3. Now after 3 you will jump back to 2, operation number 2. You will again compare, because no, there aren't any other further step, you kept one line only. So now you will say okay, no problem, num is less than 1, num is 1, value of num is 1, so it will say again okay, less than 1, so it will print 1 again. But you wanted to print 2, right? Next, in the next operation, so you have to do something, then only it will print. So you say okay, num, let me add one value, num, you will keep num plus 1, you added 1. Okay, every time you are operation you are performing. So now check, in the first step you will print it, in the second step, now let's starting from the start. Okay, in the second step you will print, okay, now num became first step, third, fourth, and now you will jump into this second. Okay, great. So now you will add one value to num, whatever value. Now it will become 2. 2 less than 10. Yeah, it will say okay, yes. Then you will jump into third one, and you will say okay, now I need to print 3, 2. Then you will jump into, you will again add one value, add 1 to the existing number, so it will become 3, and you will print 3, and keep on it's doing until it will become 9. So 9, so you check 9 less than 10, you will say okay, again you will print that 9, and you will say num plus 1, that means 9 plus 1, 10, and you will say okay, now it is 10. So you will say 10 less than or equals to, so it is equals to, so you will say okay, still I have condition true, so you will print. Then it will turn into 11, num will become 11. Okay, now you will say okay, 11, you will compare, less than 10, no, it will fail, so this condition will be completed, and loop will like the code will exit from the loop, or you can say, you can think of like you will exit from the loop. Now if you'll print num outside of it, because num got updated every time, so you will print num, then you will see the value changed to 11. So this is only this is simply while loop. Okay, and let's now, without wasting time, I'm gonna tell you like how to solve it, I mean how to do it, perform it programmatically. So without wasting time, I will teach you quickly, don't worry, and if you have any doubts, let me know, because I'm here to solve your doubts and here to help you. Okay, So because I'm just thinking like I have to reduce the time, I do not want to waste your time. Okay, by the way, so I will start first recording. Command Shift 5, record. I hope you can see my screen. Now I am at the folder. Okay, so first I'm at some location here. If you see, this is pwd, print working directory. So I'm in the users folder. Now I want to go to cd desktop, change desktop. So yeah, now we'll see how many folders and files are there. So many things are there. So you can see there is a directory, Python lectures. So I'm gonna jump into the Python lectures, and yeah, so now ls we'll see the content inside it. So there are few files and today's lecture 10. So I will create one file, lecture 10.py. ls, you can see lecture 10 got created, and now I will jump into the that folder, particular folder, and I will show you. So here you can see, oh god, let me change it. I'm creating thumbnails using chat gpt and all, because if something easy is available, why would you put extra effort? It's not necessary. So open with, I will open with the same text edit. Great. I will keep it side by side so it will be easy for you to follow. Okay, so first thing we are going to add comment while loop. Okay, so it's not, if you are like, it's not going to execute this line because we started with pound symbol or hash number symbol. Now we are going to do, first we are going to assign num will be 1, initializing, and you can experiment it. I won't say like just do it. You can write table and all. So many options are there. Like it's up to you what you wanted to perform or what you wanted to do. So now we'll start while. Okay, it is keeping while, and here you will say num less than equals to 10. Okay, then print. I will tell you like what will be the problem if I won't increment the number. It will be like infinite loop. You know why? Because that you are not changing condition. It will be always true. It's like you kept something running forever because no changes are happening, and it happens with our lives as well. If you won't make any change, the things will remain the same. Everything will change around you, but you won't. You will be same. So num print. I'm printing num. So I will show you right now. Num. Let's run it. I mean, yeah. Oh, what I did. Python 3 lecture you have to use if you are using window, lecture 10.py. See, it is keep on running, and it will keep on running. The program will, I have to stop it. Control C, execute, exited. Uh, so now next step is we have to increment it. Every time we are going to increment number plus 1, and we can use shorthand property, or you can say, okay, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, I will tell you something else. This is the table. Now suppose I wanted to, okay, let's forget it. We'll see you, like maybe you explore and let me know. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much. If you like the video, and you can like it, if you don't like the video or content, just comment down like, okay, I don't like, this is the problem, you need to fix it, and maybe you need to change your attitude, something. Just comment down. Maybe you don't like, just dislike it. I will get feedback like, okay, people don't like it, something I need to change. uh, it would help me to get feedback from you. What are the problems in me? I need to fix them definitely. Then only the things will be like in sync, and it's good. Like if you'll provide me your feedback. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and we'll see you tomorrow.